Gaikhangam emphasizes role of media in shaping a society, appeals to media not to fear in revealing the truth. Thongnaojam Chauba criticizes the recent budget passed by the Assembly, says the Ibobi government has failed to serve the people. A national seminar focuses on integration of agriculture, horticulture, animal science to combat food challenge caused by climate change. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Lightning Monica with the top stories. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam today emphasized the role of media in shaping a society by bringing out the truth and appealed to media persons to give up fear and insecurity in revealing a truth. Speaking at a launch of distinctive press labelled sticker of All Manipur Working Journalist Union at Manipur Press Club, Gaikhangam maintained that media should bridge the communication gap between the government and the people and help to achieve a peaceful and prosperous society. Lauding the role of media in the state, Gaikhangam said the sticker launched today will help in striking out the misunderstanding between the police and the media. Deputy Chief Minister also appealed the police fraternity not to use abusive languages in discharging their duty and also urged the general public to extend cooperation while police discharge their duty. Gaikhangam expressed his concern that some police personnel are abusing alcohol and drugs and said a health checkup for police personnel is being considered with the higher officials of the department.
What the government is doing for the development of the people and what is the reactions of the people have ani se mase tuna khangmin na ba khonna ba adugamba achauba role do press amadi media gi sinausi lobiri press amada kanige law enforcing agency sing ko piba ya ba bebhar to piba press in sinausi na so masidi lai situation sida tawda jadan tawbani ko ha bi responsibility feel to bahasa kaibi ganu raimungo taimungo babung maru ledna ina worobiya de ngak check to zabatare gaina ko asigum se hen more understanding of purakna bagi damakta sing so ko gari sticker ma haptana masi yam maru.
BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thongnaojam Chauba lambasted that the budget passed in the Assembly is a budget to benefit the Congress government. Speaking at a one-day political conference of the party held at the community hall of Moirangpurel under Kaisamthong Assembly constituency, T.H. Chauba alleged that the present Congress government has failed to do anything for the welfare of the people and promises made for the development, quality education and tourism have all went in vain due to corruption. He said 200 crore rupees Leimakong heavy fuel power plant, which was set up to provide electricity, failed to commission. The BJP leader also questioned what changes have the Congress government brought in the economic front in its 15 years of rule. MLA Thongam Biswajit, several leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh and members of Kaisamthong BJP Mandal participated in the political conference organized by Kaisamthong BJP Mandal. Those who spoke at the conference opined to join the wave of developmental changes Narendra Modi has been bringing in the country and appealed to the elected leaders to leave self-centric politics and work for the welfare of the people.
Ngasi Manipuri budget puthoge kamdore agriculture paisa haptre priority karai pire minor irrigation karana chief minister na paiba portfolio paisa yam hapchan ba adagi tourism lo mana paida paisa yam hapchan ba paisa lok thokpagi bhapta la ene adodi horen asomnana agriculture na first priority somnana last priority horen scheme mama thagalap kana 10% state share piu haro kana yauroi paisa manipur praja waroidra.
Manipur joined the worldwide observance of World Dentist Day today. Indian Dental Association Manipur State Branch, in association with the Observation for Girls Laikol, observed the day at Langtabal Lab, Awang Lekai. A free dental health camp was also held on the event. Secretary, Indian Dental Association, Manipur State Branch, Dr. L. Robinson told Impact News that the day is observed every year with an aim to spread awareness on oral health and hygiene among the people, especially those living in remote areas. Dr. Robinson also added that any club or organization which wishes to hold dental health camp may contact Indian Dental Association, Manipur State Branch.
Dental ki problem sing asi amna thina sokhi badagi kaloba yaba stage mayam ama hentoki duna like akoi oral cancer gumba form tawba mayam ama tholopa yaba si sing asi akoi awareness ma pijaraga henjan dringai da akoi hana treatment horagadi hathiri balena sing ngang thokpa ngame adana akoi ki bajar da akoi message pijabani treatment sing abachung dental ki khudong chaba phangdaba jaga sing da dental health kengum bangthokpa leibiragadi akoi ki Indian Dental Association Manipur State Branch da akoi ki wangjong na pau pibirakduna akoi ni mafam sing adu chatlaga akoi ki
National Seminar on Integrating Agri-Horticultural and Allied Research for Food and Nutritional Security in the Era of Global Climate Disruption concluded today. The seminar was organized by Indian Council of Agricultural Research Complex North-East Region, Manipur Center at RIMS Jubilee Hall from March 4. 422 delegates from 94 organizations took part in the seminar. 31 renowned scholars took part in the seminar as resource persons, and 258 oral and poster presentations were presented during the seminar. DDG Animal Science ICAR New Delhi Dr. H. Rahman stated that mankind is today facing a huge challenge in food and nutritional security due to climate change, and it is now time to pave sustainable means to counter the challenge by integrating agriculture, horticulture, animal science and allied departments. Joint Director ICAR North-East Region Manipur Center and heads of various institutes also took part on the concluding day. Best oral and poster presentation were also felicitated with gifts at the event.
Integrating agriculture, horticulture and allied science researches for the development of technology in the event of climate change. And I am very happy the participants from not only from the northeastern region, from north, from east, west, south, all have gathered here. They have deliberated various issues, various problems that are facing in the country, particularly the northeastern region.
People today protested against the planting of a hand grenade at the gate of Saugragpam Rajesh from Oripok Huidrom Lekai. Oripok Huidrom Lekai Merapai Bilub and residents of the Lekai expressed their objections against the planting of a grenade in crowded residential localities. It may be recalled that a hand grenade was found at the gate of Saugragpam Rajesh alias Boy, 47 years, son of H. Lokeshwar, yesterday morning. No one has claimed responsible for the incident.
Adagi amu angang ayung antada angang school sa pagkhotbaji mafam sida khoi angang ben ngai na bayawi sigumba mafam sida moina mi siba yaba sokpa yaba bom natraga kaigumba khulai thambiram base masi tawbiganu kanana tawribano akoigi nungai taba dagi kaigumba pendaba leiragasu moigi nungai triba khotribado khoi adum sengtokna si khoi mairagi mi singsu loi lei irei kaisda leiba kanada no moina nungai triba se khoi isa isa unaraga natraga pau phauna si haiba wafam ji thamjaningi.
Power supply to Myanmar by India is likely to begin within this month as Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, India and Tamil District Committee, Myanmar signed a power purchase agreement yesterday at a meeting hall of Tamil DC office. MSPDCL Executive Director Technical L. Priyokumar, General Manager EC3 L. Joy Chandra, General Manager Jadumani Singh, MSPDCL More Subdivision Manager Let Komang Haukip, Power Purchase and Supply Manager T. Zin Kongtang and Manager Subdivision KSH Menon represented India. Chairman Electric Power Committee Tamu and MSPDCL Executive Director Technical L. Priyokumar signed the agreement following request by Myanmar for supply from India and the subsequent meeting between the two countries in November 2015 and February this year at New Delhi. MSPDCL General Manager EC3 L. Joychandra told the media that the power will be supplied to Damu town from the 33 by 11 kV substation More, and installation of power line for the same is almost complete. L. Joychandra also appealed to the people of More to extend support in the project and foster the relationship between the two neighboring countries.
19 of February 2016 sida aroiboin wari sanaraga yamna bama portuna tari break kaya orgede ke kolkadagi haibisi yadana tari blesi unit amada 6 rupees per unit ki wafam da yana ba portuna amadi megawatt ofum pi ba everything yanaraga agreement soi tongno basidi Myanmar sida tari mari sida tongnaro hai tongnaba hai ni yanaraga blockade lebena maram moidana tari mari sida matam chana yobong ngamdagi ngarang tari manga sida ai koi unadana khotana meeting si agreement soi tongno ji pangthokre
अखोई हाइरिबा पावर परचेस एग्रीमेंट साइन तौना खरबा से मणिपुर की दमक यामना हिस्टोरिक ओइबा पोचाक मनी लाइन छु तिंगा कदौरी लाइन तिंगा पा खोतला बॉर्डर फाव बसी तौबा मत तौबा असिदा मोरे की प्रजा में यामना सु मतेंग पांगागा कोऑपरेशन फजना पिरकनबा अखोई पावर डिपार्टमेंट की सु रिक्वेस्ट तौजै
तमु पावर सप्लाई तौगदौसे मोरे सब डिवीजन सु यारती तांग कुनमंगा फावबा लोइसिनबा अखोई होटनाजगनी असुगुम्बा पावर सप्लाई तौबसिना अखोई लम अनी सिगी इंडिया अमसुंग म्यांमार सिगी मनुंगदा नुंसिनबा पुरकनी.
All Manipur School Students Transporter Association has alleged that Manipur government is trying to portray a negative image of the association to the people. Advisor of the association, L. Priyo Kumar, today told the media at a press meet at Bamon Lekai Mangsil, said the association has been serving the requirements of the students without giving troubles to the parents under a set of rules and regulations. He expressed grave concern at the sudden decision of the Transport Department to conduct drive in Imphal area. He appealed to the government to review the decision by discussing with the representatives of the association. He also warned that van service will be stopped if school van drivers are arrested and their licenses cancelled during the drive.
Karigumba government na ikoiga makataba wari ama taunadragadi aikoida sungsoi soidana maki masigi matangda naina ba aikoiga kaudana aikoiga phaminabagi room ama pidragadi government na aikoigi leiriba member singida phaba punba natraga aikoi che chang losinggi ba natra license ka punising ba thabak chi lokhalagadi immediate action oina aikoi mathangi numit tagi aikoi leiriba member punamak thabak lephan jagani government ga aikoiga angang kaya pugani bhara kaya logani ekwidigi kakthariba angang lokthoriba angang dugi arrangement government karmaina tobigadoino haiba mayam jingse loimak chinba langba loire harakanduda ekoi makhatana angang thinjagani.
Acting on a tip-off, a team of 12 Bihar of 9 Sector Assam Rifles and Bishnupur Police Commandos arrested a cadre of Pripak Pro on March 4 during a search operation in Laimaram Lamkhai on National Highway 2. The cadre was identified as Second Lieutenant Mayang Lambam Shyam Maitei alias Sintha alias Pari, 41 years, son of M. Tomba of Maninglekai Ward No. 6, Bishnupur. In a press release, the PRO Assam Rifle said the cadre revealed that he joined the outfit through Iri alias Menjor of Pripak Pro in August 2012 and got training at Sajik, Myanmar. Meanwhile, band outfit People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglei Park Progressive has clarified that Mayang Langbam Shyam Maitei alias Sintha, arrested by the combined team of Bishnupur District Commando and 12 Bihar on March 4 from Lamara Lake Lamkhai, is not related to the party. Senior publicity officer of the party, Milay, in a press release said there is no one by the name Shyam serving as a second lieutenant in the party. 45 Assam Rifles organized a medical camp under Ob Sadbhavana program in Mapao Kulen in Imphal East on the 4th of this month. More than 200 villagers were checked up and treated at the camp. A medical team led by Medical Officer 45 Assam Rifles treated the patients. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha BJYM Manipur Pradesh held a membership enrollment campaign in Sadangkhong in Kumbi constituency yesterday. Former CPI MLA Anne Mangi, who has recently joined the BJP, took part in the campaign along with the people of Wangu Sadangkhong. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute tha taruki oiba special job oriented course ama haujaragani hariba course asi tha ahum theory ni amadi internship tha ahum ni courses singa dudi level 1 certificate in front office operations, food and beverage service operations amadi housekeeping operation ni Mars ki tang tare dagi class haujaragani hena akupa marol ki dama Classic Hospitality Training Institute Babina Diagnostic Building 3rd floor Rims Road contact of you.
Mana nungtagi chari maru marang yaw bachinjak sing siyang. Masin hakchang ki pangal amadi liver sohan batana tana. Pok naba acidity chaba tumdabana chingba kya narak diya.
Imana pirak hakchang atuk nabi hidak lai risidi lipse. Namana ba singa nungtiri party. Sanga chadrabadi sukya magya drabra. Adum na khang dramale. Masina puk naba thimbagi awaba thohan bayai.
Lipse nungtagi chabana acidity chaba tumdaba khong haba yataba phali. Aduga chak sulamale.
Liver bu farabadi punsi su super hit oiri.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. For Irang Maku, a rare species of owl which is on the verge of extinction in Manipur, were rescued and handed over to the Manipur Zoological Garden by 2 persons today. The 4 tiny owls were rescued from Kairao Bitra Lairimbi Lekai last night around 10:30 p.m. when they saw them on a tree. Nompok Ningthau Development Committee, Kairao Bitra and people of the locality today handed over the birds to Manipur Zoological Garden. The Manipur Zoological Garden officials have appreciated the people of Kairao Bitra for rescuing the birds.
Mapising electric hogi zik ubiriba mayang mangle riba transponder sida main chingnu sidna lerambadagi masa sing asi ekhoi nongpondu pathibi development committee gi maikai degi masa sing asi kamana kangedage haina khanajere butungda ekhoi inausing sebi inausing ani si asida ekhoi masa sing asi kanambagi phaba ngambra aidu yeng siadna taroga ekhoi hariba kanasi ekhoi forest department da sinajaraga ekhoi juda ekhoi pasite ta kadna sinajare haibo hamsi ekhoi
The bituminous material used in blacktopping of road from Thangmaiban Sinam Lekai Maning Lairak Fishery Gate till Tarung had come out. The blacktopping was done by contractor Konsam Surjit from Thangmaiban Kondram Seluba Lekai from yesterday morning till late night. President of Naharo Laisemba Club, Sinam Lekai, El Pratap said the road has been left without blacktopping for the last 10 years. He said the residents of the area are very happy when they saw the blacktopping work, but were shocked when they saw the material come out. He urged the government to look into the matter.
Prajasing Nekalong aduga tarung Sinam Lekaina hoji mera paibi mayam khoi naharon mayam pamisi loinabak amuk hana ri loi kotho kanda nauna thabaduni mayam na pamisi adu siking ba thadaba targadi khoi loina makha taba kemta thadana ba khoi khanjari council officersing pidoligi si Imphal West ki leiriba mayam si government akanba mieng changbiu tasingna makoina makoigi makha pona thabak subani ana makoi kamai tawdna makoina thabak solino aduga sigi yanaba poroktingaida khoigi bill nung kaiba khotpasi government athubuda thinjanbinaba after tawsare.
Konsam Sujit, who is the contractor associated with the repair of road from Fishery Gate till Tarung in Thangmaiban, has clarified that the blacktopping of the road could not be completed yesterday night due to shortage of bitumen. He said the blacktopping will be done as desired by the people from tomorrow after consulting the engineers concerned.
PCG Town Marakanda Nongalakanda, Kogi Pradasina, Lambi Pazana, Toromdre, Natraga, Masi Kaire, Natraga, Pacal having Singba, Lion Tazare, Adu Department, Saitaki Lapses came to Lakite, Morium Sing Eso, High Tabaki, how the Lopogobani, by time and honorable MLA, Tamozuki Sena, Yamkana Dumba, instruction Pibira Padagi, High Tabaki, Shana, Yamatuba, the Haying, Horglos, Jerry, Hina Pova in honorable MLA Hajakre, a Cobra Tariba Lekai, Miyangi, Pamagi Matungina. Engineer sing yauna haiba thabak aina athu matamda loisini haibasi aina ngasi press media gi thongda mayam khanganjari.
Prizes were distributed to the winners of the district-level essay competition organized by All Manipur Students Union AMSU at a function held at AMSU headquarters on DM College campus. The essay competition was held on 31st of January in two categories from Class 5 to 8 and Class 9 to 12. Representatives of North East Students Organization, students and parents took part in the event. Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal today organized a free health camp at Sinamkom in Senapati district. Around 250 persons were examined and treated at the camp. Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board's Maicho Purel Aramba Cha Harangau passed away today at his house in Langol. He was 88. He was also the president of Malem Liklam Likhun Thibalup and member of Kangla Religious Protection Committee. He was given the title Maicho Purel by Sanamahi Temple Board in 2007. The same year, Laisembe Sanajauba honored him with the title Konga Amaiba. Prajapita Brahma Kumari's Ishwarya Vishwavidyalaya Imphal Center today celebrated the 80th Mahashiv Jayanti at Kwakaithel Moirang Purel. Kaisamthong MLA Laisom Ibomcha hosted the flag of Brahma Kumari on the occasion. BK Memita, who is Raj Yoga of Prajapati Brahma Kumari's Ishwarya Vishwavidyalaya Imphal Center, urged the believers to make a resolution to give up intoxicants on the Mahashiv Ratri and lead a healthy life. Prajapita Brahma Kumari's Ishwarya Vishwavidyalaya was established in 1930 and has 147 branches all over the world.
अखोइदा फत्तब ओहलिबा अखोइदा अंगाव ओहलिबा अखोइगी मनुंगदा हाइदी कलक मिहोबा यंगथिनाबा अदगी मीगी दमकता कलक हाइदी नुसिदाबा फावबा सुगुम्बा फत्तबगी वाखलोन म्यामसे ईश्वरदा कथोरओ ना हाइबनेबा अदुबो अखोइना खंगदबनिना मपानगी ओइबा अंगावबगा पांकक ओइरबा सुगुम्बा गंजासे कटपसिगी सिगी मयक सेंगबा अचुम्बा वारोलदो अखोइ सिगी प्रोग्राम सिगी फंक्शन सिगी मतुंगिना मयामदा मेसेज पिजबन.
A novel, Nungshi Masumlang, written by Nilamani Khuraijam, was released today at Manipur Hindi Parishad, All Assembly Road. Associate Professor of DM College, Dr. Sarachandra Longzamba, reviewed the book. Sahitya Academy Translation Prize winner Aribam Kumar Sharma and Sahitya Academy awardee B.M. Maishnamba, among others, attended the event. For the first time, Pakistan has shared a specific intelligence input with India related to possible terror attacks by Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed's suicide bombers. Pakistan's National Security Advisor Nasir Khan has shared an intelligence input with Ajit Doval that 10 terrorists have entered Gujarat to carry out strikes. Gujarat has been put on high alert and combing operations are being carried out across the state. Security measures have been heightened at all the sensitive areas, places of worship and public places in the state. 2 NSG teams also rushed to Gujarat and put on stand following high-level alert. The warning from Pakistan comes after 5 abandoned Pakistani boats found in the past 3 months in Kutch. An abandoned boat was also found by the BSF patrolling team off Koteshwar coast in Kutch on Friday. Thangmaiban Women Polo Club have reached the final of the 10th state-level women's polo tournament. They trust K and MM Riding School Women's Polo Club Singjamei 7-0 in the semi-final. Meanwhile, Kompal Students Polo Club have entered the final of the 32nd state-level men's polo tournament. In the second semi-final played today, Kompal Students Polo Club trounced Eastern Students Polo Club A, Nomaibang 5-1. All Manipur Polo Association is organizing the tournament at Imphal Polo Ground with 20 teams participating. The final matches will be held on the 8th of this month. Athletics of national level North-East Games organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur under Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan concluded today at Kumanlampak Men's Stadium. Tripura emerged as team champion in athletics with 9 gold, 5 silver and 7 bronze medals. Manipur with 6 gold, 9 silver and 6 bronze medals bagged the first runners-up, and Mizoram with 5 gold, 4 silver and 6 bronze clinched the second runner-up. David 11 Takil clinched the first U.S. Trophy State-Level Open Tennis Ball Cricket Tournament 2016 organized by United Sports and Cultural Organization. In the final match played today at Lamboy Khongnang ground, David 11 Takil defeated WDYC Lamsang in 69 runs. Rajesh Patel of David 11 Takil bagged the Man of the Match award, and K. Homendro of the same team was declared the man of the tournament. The first Asian T20 champion will be crowned on tonight. India takes on host Bangladesh in the final of the Asia Cup 2020 cricket tournament at Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium, Mirpur. India start as overwhelming favourites as the ICC rankings suggest. While Team India is ranked number 1, the host hold 10th position. The host outstood defending champions Sri Lanka en route their entry into the final. India have won 9 of their 10 T20s. The game is considered as the final dress rehearsal for the two teams before the ICC World 2020 kicks off with its qualifying phase on March 8. While India will directly enter the men's stage beginning March 15, Bangladesh will be part of the 8-team qualifiers from where 2 teams will go through. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Gaikhangam emphasizes role of media in shaping a society, appeals to media not to fear in revealing the truth. Thongnaujam Chauba criticizes the recent budget passed by the Assembly, says the Ibobi government has failed to serve the people. A national seminar focuses on integration of agriculture, horticulture, animal science to combat food challenge caused by climate change.